Hi, it's Brian, and I know it's been a while. I've been really busy doing my business, the PLR stuff, and getting everything together. So I wanted to make a special video for you, my group, my PLR people, because we all love this. We love the PLR, we love the possibility of making things out of it, courses, products, making money with it, right? But here's what I've noticed between comments on the YouTube channel, this channel, the emails that I'm getting, watching people on Facebook, what they're asking, what they're saying, and it's all about they bought the PLR, they have some courses, and then they don't know what to do. They're really stuck. And I just did some emails this week about that. But I want to talk about that. PLR, getting stuck, how to get unstuck, and you. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products, and make money with PLR. Okay, there are two links below this video. The first one is for the PLR MasterClass that I'm going to talk about. Also, get into the email system. Get the PLR checklist. The link is below the video. And you'll get my emails, you'll be up to date, you'll know all about PLR, the secrets, the stuff that I've learned. No baloney, seriously. I'm on your side. Truly, I know what it's like to be stuck and not knowing what to do. So, being stuck, you bought PLR, and I did some videos about that. What's good PLR? I suggested PLR.me, tools for motivation, content Sparks, a few other ones. And all the links are under this video in the description. And I'm sure you bought a course or more, maybe some PDFs, and you never used them, you never looked at them. And now what? That's the question. Now what do I do with this? I have PLR. And if you're like me, you probably have a bunch of PLR all over your computer. And one of the suggestions is get rid of most of them. Just pick the few that you really need. You don't need to have everything, because you could probably live to be 400 years old and you'll never use it. And I'm guilty of that. So I cleaned up my computer. I really did. I took out a lot of PLR that isn't my niche. I just downloaded it, or it was sent to me, or I bought it for some peculiar reason. And now I have the PLR that I like to focus on. And now the question is, again, now what? What do you do? So find the good PLR that you want. Go into your computer and find some PLR. If you really need it, click on one of those links in the description and get some good PLR. PLR.me, tools for motivation, content Sparks. Just get something. However, you probably have something already on your computer. Find it. Put it in a separate place, maybe on your desktop. Open it up. Clean it up. Figure out what you want to do with it. Is it an ebook? Is it a video? Is it an audio? And make a product out of it. That's where most people stop, because they all say, well, I don't know how to do this. I've been holding on to a PLR MasterClass that I got a while ago. It's excellent. It's not a lot of money. I put it on ThriveCart. And it looks like this. It's amazing. It works. It's a great course. And it only has really 3 steps. Step 1 is setting up your PLR. These are videos, by the way. And step 2 is branding your PLR. It's beautiful stuff. Step 3 is how to repurpose your PLR. And this is so important that most people miss. And I have a bonus for you. How to get your first 1,000 email subscribers, because you need to build your email list. Get it. And I even put resources, because people always ask me, Lord, where do I go? How do you do this? What do you trust? And that's what I put in here. So this is all in Product Dino. And when you go to ThriveCart, put your name information in there, complete the order. And once you bought the course, you'll get to this page, you'll register, and you're in. Easy peasy. So that's the whole schmeal. Get the PLR MasterClass. Why? Because if you're stuck and you're not doing anything, you're not making any money. So it's really 3 things I want you to do. Find in your computer or buy some PLR, something you like. Start small. You don't need something gigantic. You start with an ebook if you want, but start. And second, get the PLR MasterClass and do it. Follow the steps. The one thing that stops people in this business is that they don't do anything. No action. Even if you fail, and I've failed many times to the point where I got stuck. But action got me out of it. And it brought me money dropping from the sky. And there's nothing like waking up in the morning and looking at your phone and there's money in your bank account. It's amazing. But it'll only happen once you take action with your product, the PLR that you bought, repurpose it, put your name on it, put it on ThriveCart, I recommend that, and learn how to do this. So get the PLR Masterclass, get on my email list, get that checklist. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And we'll talk soon.